afternoon, everyone. My name is Wilderson Orvil. I was born in Gonaives, same place as Wilderson and Juvenile. I was born on December 25th. I lived with my parents for only 2 years, and then they had to take me to an orphanage because they had more than 7 kids to take care of. They could not afford school for all of us, so they had to take us to an orphanage. While we were in Gonaives, there was a flood. Our house was flooded, so we all had to move on the roof. We were on the roof for about 3 days, and for 3 days we did not really eat anything. Then we had some friends that came and rescued us. So they had to move us to Port-au-Prince, the capital of Haiti. And there we were in a home that was called CLM, Creation Light Ministries. And there at CLM, our journey started. We met new friends. We started going to school. In 2016, we joined a new home called the Revhome. And there we felt more loved, more cared for. We built a lot of memories. And there we went to another school. TeacHaiti helped us go through a lot. TeacHaiti made us more mature, made us more loving. TeacHaiti is literally the best school that I've gone to. I am a member of Haitian Movies Project. I love photography and videography, so I take pictures and videos for Haitian Ruby, and I am the treasurer of Haitian Ruby. I help with the activities for Haitian Ruby. Everything Haitian Ruby is about is community service. We would love for you to support us because your support is beneficial to others in need. Our story is our motivation for this project and to help others.